comfortably on the mat. Stretch one leg to the side. Stretch one arm and gently bend sideways. Keep breathing calmly. This is gate pose, Parighasana. Sit comfortably on the mat. Cross your leg gently. Keep your spine stretched and shoulders released. Place your hands on your knee. Close your eyes and take slow deep breath. This is easy pose, Sukhasana. Kneel down comfortably. Stretch one leg out to the side. Raise one arm overhead and bend gently sideways. Feel a smooth stretch along your body. This is side stretch pose, gate pose. Lay down on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders. Slowly lift your chest up. Keep your elbows soft and breathe deeply. This is Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Step one foot forward and bend the knee. The other knee stay on the mat. Lift your chest and relax your shoulders. Feel the stretch in your hips and legs. This is low long stretch Anjanasana. Lie comfortably on the mat. Place one hand on the floor beside you. Raise the other arm and bend gently to the side. Breathe slowly and stay released. This is seated side bend pose. Sit straight with your leg stretched forward. Keep your spine tail and hands beside your hips. Point your toes upward. The breath deeply. This is stop pose Parighasana. Sit comfortably again. Place your hands on your knee. Close your eyes and relax your face. Focus on your breathing and feel calm. This is meditation pose. Great job everyone. Practice this yoga pose daily for a calm mind and healthy body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.